In the previous lecture, we already seen that is silent features of Thallophyta, division Thallophyta. Then next point, that is algae. The classification of algae depends on the presence of photosynthetic pigments, that is colored pigments, on which the algae are to be classified into different classes, that is chlorophyceae, phaeophyceae and rhodophyceae. Algae, that is presence of photosynthetic pigments. Chlorophyceae, photosynthetic pigments, colored pigments, class chlorophyceae. Here in this group of algae, that is green pigments present, hence it is called green algae. These members of algae found in where they are found chlorophyceae. Members are in fresh water, few are marine water and brackish water. Fresh water. Few members found in marine water and brackish water. Then plant body is unicellular, colonial, filamentous, microscopic, here unicellular algae is that is chlamydomonas. Algae is appear like this. Motile, they are motile. The motility organ is flagella. With the help of this flagella, they can move. Then here a nucleus is present and cup-shaped chloroplast. Cup-shaped chloroplast, unicellular algae. Then filamentous spirogyra. Yes, they are appear here. The multicellular filamentous it consists the cells, brick shaped cells placed one above the another, and chloroplast is ribbon shaped, spirally arranged, in which pyrannoid granules are present, green in color, the presence of green color photosynthetic pigments. Nucleus is present, likewise cell wall, cell membrane, and on which the mucilaginous sheath present. This is about the Spirogyra. Example of green algae, Chlorophyceae, Chlamydomonas and Spirogyra. Cell wall contain cellulose. Cell wall contain cellulose. Smooth walled mucilage is covered. Then chloroplast present in different shapes like discoid, cup shaped, spiral, likewise the different types of cup shaped, ribbon shaped, spheroid, reticulate, etc. Likewise the photosynthetic pigments present, chloroplast present in the group of algae Chlorophyceae. Then reserve food is in the form of starch. The reserve food is in the form of starch. These are the general characteristic features of Chlorophyceae. Yes, member of Chlorophyceae shows these, like these are the these characters. Then next class Phaeophyceae, that is brown algae. Why this group of algae are called brown algae? Because the brown photosynthetic pigments are present, hence they appear brown in color, and that is why it is called brown algae. These members of these class Phaeophyceae appear in marine water Which water is called the marine water? That is sea water, salty water. Rarely found in fresh water. Some members found in fresh water. काही मेंबर्स फिओफायसीचे काही मेंबर्स हे फ्रेश वॉटरमध्ये देखील आढळतात. रिअरली देन मेंबर्स आर सिंपल ब्रँच्ड फिलामेंटस, दॅट इज प्लांट बॉडी is simple filamentous branched. For example, Ectocarpus, it is profusely branched. Ectocarpus, profusely branched. Then laminaria, it is found like this. The hold fast then stipe, hold fast, stipe and leaf-like structure, photosynthetic organ, it is called a frond. Lamina, means where the plant body consists a cell that is hold fast. With the help of this, they attach to the substratum. Then stalk-like part called the stipe and leaf-like appendage, photosynthetic appendage, is called the frond. The cell wall has cellulose, fucus and algin present. Cell wall contain cellulose, then fucus and algin is present in the cell wall of this group of algae. Photosynthetic pigments present like chlorophyll A, chlorophyll C, fucoxanthin, chlorophyll A, C, fucoxanthin, like the photosynthetic pigments are present in this group of members. Then reserve food is in the form of mannitol and laminarin and starch. Reserve food is laminarin, starch and mannitol. Is in the form of food is stored in the members of Phaeophyceae. Then plant body usually differentiated into holdfast, stipe and frond. Leaf-like appendage, photosynthetic appendage, and the holdfast. With the help of this holdfast, it is attached to the substratum. Many species of marine algae are usually used as food. The members of this group of algae are used as a food. For example, Porphyra, Laminaria, Sargassum, like these members are used as a food. Then some species are used for production of hydrocolloids. Hydrocolloids are formed, for example, Ectocarpus, Fucus, etc. These members are used in the formation of hydrocolloids. Like these are the general characteristic features of Phaeophyceae or brown algae. Okay. Then next class, that is red algae. Rhodophyceae. Rhodophyceae. Red algae. Why this algae called the red algae? Like that of the presence of red photosynthetic pigments. The algae is appear red in color, hence it is called red algae or Rhodophyceae. The members of Rhodophyceae are found in marine as well as fresh water. The members of this group found in marine water as well as in fresh water. Marine water, fresh water, they are appear on a surface of water or deep sea. They are found on surface of water and in deep sea. Also, they are found in brackish water. Plant body is thalloid. Plant body is thalloid. Contain chlorophyll A, chlorophyll D, phycoerythrin. Like these are the photosynthetic pigments. That is chlorophyll A, D, phycoerythrin. Like these photosynthetic pigments are present in the members of Rhodophyceae, red algae. Then cell wall is made up of cellulose and pectin. Cellulose and pectin is present in the cell wall. Reserve food is in the form of fluoridine starch. Reserve food is in the form of fluoridine starch. In these members, the reserve food is in the form fluoridine starch, and the agar-agar is obtained from agar is obtained from red algae, and it is used from red algae, and it is used in tissue culture medium as a solidifying agent. You know, in the tissue culture medium, the agar-agar is used for the formation of medium on which the plants grow in tissue culture laboratory. For example, Batrachospermum, Porphyra, Gelidium, Gracilaria, these are the members of Rhodophyceae. Here Batrachospermum, plant body is thalloid, but here it consists the two types of branching system, that is limited growth branch and unlimited growth branch. Limited growth branch are present on nodal region of the thallus. Okay, that's about the characteristic features of different classes of algae: Chlorophyceae, Phaeophyceae, Rhodophyceae. Okay, धन्यवाद, thank you.